me and Braden here, and we're gonna fuck with Peyton. He like really loves his dog, and we're gonna act like we feed it a golf ball. But it's really a pickled egg.
Here, I'll feed it to her. Or do you got it?
I got it. See? Hey, Peyton.
Coca-Cola.
Peyton, we're gonna feed your dog.
A golf ball.
Peyton!
Hey, we're feeding your dog a golf ball.
I'm not fucking joking around. I know
Do
you're
it.
gonna fucking make a YouTube video out of this. And I'm not joking fucking around.
Oh, he's pissed. Give me the golf ball.
I'm actually fucking pissed.
Here, Sam. Eat it. Eat the. Oh, shit, dude, your dog.
Pissed.
Oh, shit.